The 2025 Ford LTL 9000 marks a bold return of a legendary nameplate that once defined heavy-duty trucking in the late 20th century, revived with a blend of modern engineering and classic American truck design. This new generation LTL 9000 embodies Ford's effort to reassert its presence in the long-haul semi-truck segment. The 2025 model retains the muscular, long-nose profile that made the original a favorite among owner-operators, but updates it with cutting-edge aerodynamics, high-strength, lightweight materials, and state-of-the-art technology that rivals the best in the industry. At the heart of the truck lies a mammoth 15.6 Powerforce X15 turbo diesel engine, co-developed with Cummins, producing a staggering 605 horsepower and 2,200 pounds-ft of torque. Mated to a 12-speed Eaton UltraShift plus automated transmission, the truck delivers smooth, responsive power while maintaining excellent fuel economy for its Class 2 7.8 in real-world long-haul tests. When compared to other modern, heavy-duty trucks like the Kenworth W990, Peterbilt 589, or Freightliner Cascadia, the 2025 Ford L9000 stands out not only in horsepower, but in driver-centric innovation and premium interior design. While Kenworth and Peterbilt are known for their traditional styling and craftsmanship, the LTL 9000 pushes that tradition forward with more aggressive styling cues and futuristic features that appeal to both classic truck lovers and the new generation of tech-driven. It also matches the Freightliner in terms of driver assistance and safety tech, a leap ahead from Ford's last commercial heavy-duty efforts. Historically, the Ford LTL 9000, first introduced in 1976, played a key role in Ford's commercial vehicle legacy, representing durability, power, and prestige for over-the-road trucking. Though it was phased out by the late 90s after Ford sold its heavy truck division, the model remained a cult favorite, often restored and preserved by enthusiasts for its rugged design and road presence. Its resurrection in 2025 not only pays tribute to its legacy, but redefines what a heavy-duty truck can offer in the age of smart logistics and high-tech transportation. The return of the LTL 9000 symbolizes Ford's renewed commitment to the Class 8 truck market and sets a benchmark for the fusion of heritage and innovation. Enthusiasts, owner-operators, and fleet managers alike will find the 2025 9000 Lithuanian not only a powerhouse but a symbol of American trucking pride, reborn for the roads of tomorrow.